Have you ever wondered how companies manage millions of customers so effortlessly and how your favorite brands seem to remember you every single time? Let's find out the secret behind it in today's video. Hey everyone, welcome to episode 2 of Learning Salesforce from Scratch. In this series, we are going to learn Salesforce completely from scratch, step by step in the simplest and the most practical way possible. Hit that subscribe button to start your Salesforce journey. Now, let's understand how do big companies like Spotify, Amazon, Starbucks manage their customers so easily. The secret lies in something called as Salesforce, the world's #1 CRM platform. And today, we'll explore what it really is and why it's so powerful. So, what exactly is Salesforce? At its core, Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM platform, which means customer relationship management. It helps businesses store, track, and analyze all customer related data like contacts, sales, marketing campaigns, and support cases all in one place. Instead of juggling between Excel sheets, emails, and spreadsheets, companies use Salesforce to manage everything under one roof, securely and efficiently. It's powerful because it's customizable and you can create your own apps, dashboards, and automation without even knowing how to code. And that's why it's loved by both developers and non-developers. Now, let's see how Salesforce works. Salesforce works completely online. You don't need to install anything. You just log in using your browser and everything happens on the cloud. It has different tools and modules like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and many more, each designed for specific purposes. Let's say you own an online store, you can use Salesforce to track every customer who visits your site, every purchase they make, and every email they open, and all in real time. It helps you send personalized offers and support them instantly when something goes wrong. Now that you know what Salesforce does, let's talk about why you should learn it. Salesforce skills are in huge demand from administrators and developers to business analysts. There's a role for everyone. Even if you're just starting your tech journey, Salesforce gives you a stable and high-paying career path. If you are excited to begin, hit that like, share, and subscribe button and stay tuned. Your Salesforce journey is just beginning. Thanks for watching.